Here's 5 quick fixes if your Android Auto is not working. Quick fix number 1, which usually solves a lot of problems, is gonna be your cord. If your Android Auto is not working, it could be your USB cord. That's the most common mistake if you're using wired Android Auto. You wanna make sure your cord has like a USB symbol on it there, and it is available for file transfer. So your gas station cord or a cord you got at the dollar store most likely is not gonna work with Android Auto. Try to use the cord that came with your phone, or if it has this USB symbol on it, like I said, that's gonna be the proper cord. Now, if you're using wireless, first thing I would suggest, restarting your phone. A quick restart on your phone is gonna fix a lot of common glitches. Another quick fix, you wanna make sure your phone software is up to date. So you wanna make sure you have the latest version of Android on your phone, and you want to make sure all your apps are up to date, especially the Android Auto app. So another trick you want to do is clear your app cache or your data from Android Auto. So you're going to go into your settings here, and you are going to go into your apps. You're going to find Android Auto right on your apps. Go down to storage use, clear cache, and clear all your data. This just kind of wipes the Android Auto app clean so that it's not searching for any other cars or anything like that. Another quick fix, you want to check your permissions. So sometimes phones don't allow all the features of Android Auto if they're not set on, and it will not work properly. So you want to go back to that screen, your Android Auto up, and you want to hit your permissions, and you want to make sure everything is allowed here, from your calendar, your call logs, contact, microphone, notifications, SMS. You want to make sure everything is allowed so that it can properly function. Now, if that doesn't work, I would go into your phone settings and make sure you have no other phones connected and you forget your car. This one, we've already done that, but delete your phone from your car and then reconnect your phone to Bluetooth, and you should be pretty much up and running by then. And let's walk you through that. So I'm just gonna go into my Bluetooth. We are doing this wireless because any really car after 2022 or newer is going to be wireless. So I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings here, and I'm gonna search for the car that we are in here now. Add phone. We're gonna go to my GMC. We're gonna pair our device. I'm gonna hit pair on the screen, and now we're connected. And here you can see it's asking if I want to instantly use Android Auto. I'm gonna hit continue on my phone. And there, now we are quickly connected. So there you have it, guys. That was 5 quick fixes for Android Auto. Put in the comments if there is a solution that we didn't make into the 5. But if we helped you get going, hit that subscribe button. My name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked, and we will see you in the next one.